The blue line.
You're not here to arrest me again, are you?
No, not today. I actually just came to drop this off for Zoe. And to thank you. And your new Green Arrow friend for helping catch the arsonist.
I really appreciate what you did tonight. Feels good to be fighting side by side again.
Aunt Dinah? What are you doing here?
Hey, so sorry, kiddo. I didn't mean to wake you up. Just checking to make sure you're okay. Brought you a little something.
This is so cool. Is it a bird?
Yep, it's a canary. Here, let me help you.
This is a waste of time. How much longer are we going to be trapped in here?
You used to be a lot more patient. Shouldn't be too much longer.
Felicity told me that making a pattern on a Rubik's Cube is like running an algorithm. Her favorite was cube in the cube. Because it's a puzzle within a puzzle.
A cube in the cube. Still, no answers. What just happened? Is that some sort of map?
It's the Glades.
You two remember Zoe?
Hi, Roy. William.
What are you doing here?
I'm with the Vigilante Resistance. One of the few left fighting to save Star City.
Is your dad here too?
My dad wouldn't be caught dead in Star City.
This map shows secret routes in and out of the Glades. Where did you get this?
Felicity. She's the one who sent us to Star City.
That's impossible. William, I'm so sorry to be the one to tell you this, but Felicity Smoke is dead.